Assalamualaikum and greetings to Professor Dr. Marlina. My name is NURUL IZZNI BINTISHAMSUL BAHARI, metric number A178179. Today I will be presenting my FYP proposal titled Investigating the Challenges of Teaching English to Young Learners aged 4 to 6 years old during COVID-19 pandemic. The chapters that will be discussed in this presentation is Chapter 1 for Introduction, Problem Statement, Research Objective and Research Question. Next will be Chapter 2 that involves literature review, and the last one is Chapter 3 that consists of research methodology. As we acknowledge, the world has been shaken by the existence of COVID-19 that causes numerous changes that then lead to a global pandemic. Due to that, all countries in the world, including Malaysia itself, have enacted a movement control order or MCO that affects all of the sectors in Malaysia. Not to forget, Malaysia's Higher Education Administration also sees all normal learning in public and private school that also involve young learners in kindergarten. In order to fix it, an online and distance learning or ODL has been implemented as a new norm in learning and teaching. According to Widodo and Dewi in their study, English has become one of the most important subjects that is in line with the other subjects that shall be taught at a young age. Hence, young learners English teachers will face more challenges in teaching and learning session through ODL or online and distance learning during COVID-19 pandemic, according to Clement and Yunus in their study. Basically, there are two research objectives, ORO, which is the first one is to investigate the challenges of teaching English to young learners aged 4 to 6 years old, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. And the next one is to recommend strategies in coping with the challenges of teaching English to young learners aged 4 to 6 years old during COVID-19 pandemic. Moving on to the research questions or RQ, the first one is what are the challenges that are faced by English young learners aged 4 to 6 years old teachers in Malaysia during lesson in COVID-19 pandemic. And the second one is what are the strategies in coping with the challenges of teaching English to young learners aged 4 to 6 years old during the COVID-19 pandemic. For literature review, a study conducted by Lucas and Yunus found that teaching English language in online and distance learning or ODL was effective, but somehow still have a few obstacles and limitations. While a study conducted by Atmojo and Nugroho proven that teaching English as a foreign language through online and distance learning or ODL is not going to well because the lack of preparation in teaching and learning itself. And the last study conducted by Clement et al. Proven that e-learning or online learning can be powerful and viable alternative learning mode for Malaysians. Based from all of the studies that are in the previous slides, we could see that by different using samples, teaching English as a foreign language in online and distance learning or ODL have both pros and cons, especially to young learners during COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia. The research methodology, a survey method will be used as a part of descriptive survey research design that will be needed to answer the research questions. And the study sample will be consist of English language teachers for young learners aged 4 to 6 years old from the selected kindergarten. And questionnaires will be used and distributed to collect data. After that, the result will be from the questionnaire will be analyzed by using either Microsoft or SPSS. And then the researchers will put the collected data in a graph using the frequency distribution. Because it will not be influenced by feelings and emotions, so it is going to be an unbiased way.